Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe. Now, children, today we will continue this chapter number 8, reports, part 2. Children, we will cover the following topic: creating a report using report wizard, and lastly we will discuss about the formatting a report. Okay, children? Clear? Now, children, report tool is quickly way to create a report, okay, especially if you plan to put only a few fields on your report. Children, the report command is much easier to use and all the formatting options are available to you, okay, in layout view. Okay, once the report is created, children, the report tool automatically creates a report that is connected to the single data source, either a table or a query. Okay, children. Now, children, look at the screen, children. You can see creating a report using report tool. As I told you, children, report tool is quickly way to create a report, especially if you plan to put only a few fields on your report. Okay, children, the report tool automatically creates a report that is connected to the single data source, either in the table or a query. How to create reports, report, children? Follow these steps. First of all, click on the create button and then select the blank report. Okay, in blank report option, report group, it is available in the report group. Children, by default a report uses the tabular layout, and if your data source contain enough field, Access creates the report in landscape format. Okay, children, this is the screen of report layout window. Okay, children, after that a blank report window appear in the layout. Okay, this is the blank report. The field list pane will display on the right hand side of the Access window. This is the field list. Sorry, this is the field list. Okay, in the field list pane, click the plus button sign next to the table that contains all the fields. Okay, that contains all the fields. After that, children, now drag the field that you want to include into your report. Drag it. Okay. You can also hold the control key and select the several fields and drag them into the report same time. Okay. This one, look at the screen, children, displaying the field list pane. The report will appear as shown in the figure. Okay, children. Now, children, come to the formatting a report. Look at the screen, children. Formatting a report, you can use layout view or design view to change the format of a report. Okay, either from the layout view or from the design view. To apply formatting the effect, use the commands in the format, arrange or page setup tab. Following step you can follow. First of all, change the view of your report into design. Okay. Click on the label in the page header section of the report. Okay. Page header of the section of the report. Then click on the label in the page header and section of the page header section of the report. After that, select the desired font size or fill color from the font group. Okay. Lastly, apply the same procedure to format all the label in this section. Okay. This is the formatting a report screen. Okay. You can see here. Now, children, Lastly, you can see the screen. This is the screen of displaying report. This is the report. To save the format, click on Save button on Quick Access toolbar. Select the Print View option from the View button to view the report prior to printing. Lastly, now observe the formatting effects displayed in this report. This is the report. Okay, roll number, name, class and marks. This is the student list report. Okay, children, you can see in your computer book on page number 66. You can study from there also. Okay, now children, this chapter is completed. We will meet soon in the next video. In the next video, we will discuss about chapter number 9. Okay. Now, we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.